this video, we will learn about getting started with graphs and charts. Graphs and charts differ in the way they display and update data. We use graphs when we want to display a complete set of data. And export the graph. Graphs are best for fast processes that require data continuously. We can use charts when we want to collect and display the data simultaneously. Charts are best for slow processes that only plot a few data points per second. Refer to the following support document at ni.com for more information about the differences between graphs and charts. What is the difference between waveform graphs and waveform charts in LabVIEW?